Hey guys, so a few things on the to-do. Not everything is Raymond Computing, but wanted to give a quick update around the Moonshot Academy course for any backers that are still active. The November delivery is expected to be towards late November, so towards November 25th. There are a few updates regarding bid patches. We're continuing to do the video drip feed, a lot of things in the marketing plan, and mHost, which I may have talked about before. I don't remember. This and many other stuff. I'm expecting some sort of brand or brand variation announcement soon related to them. Maybe not in the same announcement, but a lot of work to be done. I know a lot of people are waiting for NoScript and the Linero stuff. Still need to add to the to-do list. There's definitely a lot of stuff going on with Linero. Distributed and grid computing is a very important thing to me still, as the founder of Raymond Computing, of course. And a lot of it has to do with distributed data sharding, distributed and horizontally scalable databases. So very important tech. And then, of course, hardware. There's a lot that we potentially want to get to in regards to the compute module, which is currently the core focus. And there's a lot with the CubeSats, and potentially there's going to be a summer launch schedule. It depends on how much we're able to do in such a limited time period. But those are the current updates for now.